French Fried Toys.
Yay!
Hello everyone, welcome to French Fried Toys. I'm French Fried Dad,
And I'm French Fry Boy.
and we have a very special review for you today.
This Fisher Price toy is from when French Fry Dad was a kid.
It is. I played with this at my grandma's when I was a kid, but the bottom of the toy actually tells us it's from 1974, so it's older than me.
Yeah.
So why don't you tell us about it?
Okay. So the wheels roll on both sides and on both ends. And French Fry Dad never knew this. This is actually a bucket you can put little people in. And then this, he never knew that too. It extends. And then there's this button you press, and it's supposed to be the siren. And then it has this fold-out bay, and you can put people in there. And there's also a driving cab with a turning steering wheel that actually turns.
That's pretty cool.
So, we have our Fisher Price little people going to the Fisher Price van. The princess is hurt, and the caveman's going to go get her to the hospital. And you can also put people up here for firefighting. This is a cool toy.
This is a very cool toy. They don't quite make toys like this anymore, do they?
No,
It says, what's it say on the back?
303.
And what else?
It has the green version of the medical symbol, and it says rescue.
And what does it say on the side?
Fisher Price Rescue.
And what does it say on the front?
Fisher Price, that's the license plate.
Good job. And we better show everyone the other side. It just says the same thing, huh? That's a pretty cool toy. And French Fry Boy, if this toy's so old, where did we find it?
We found it in an antique store.
That's right. So if you keep your eyes out at garage sales and flea markets, you too might be able to find an old treasure like this, huh? Do you have anything else to say about it?
Well, it looks cool. It has this red line. It has a bit of detail right here. And this is a cool toy.
It is. Well, thanks for watching this review with us. I'm French Fry Dad.
And I'm French Fry Boy.
Goodbye.
Bye!